Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The one that I got ended up being the 512GB version, but it doesn't look like they actually stamp it on the back. Then on the side it says iPhone, on the top it has an Apple logo, bottom the same thing, Apple logo, and on the right side iPhone as well. And then the front just has the iPhone. So let's get this open, peel this back off. And then it just falls off like that. And then we can lift up the box, and the phone is pretty heavy, so it just falls out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Phone's right here. There's a little pull tab to lift it up. And right under that is the USB-C to Lightning cable. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And there's this little container right here, and it just has these three things. Just a sticker, some safety things, and a SIM ejector. That's pretty much it. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of the unboxing. Now we can just take this off the iPhone. And here's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's get this powered on. It's taking a while. And while that power's on, let's put all the stuff back in the box, which is not really anything. Slide it away. And here is the phone. Looks like there's already fingerprints on there, probably because of me. It's not going to be the last. So on the right side, you got the power button and the little ultra wideband. On the top, there's nothing. Bottom, there's pretty much nothing. You just have the speaker, microphone, and the charging port. And on the left is the buttons and the rocker and the SIM card. So let's just skip through all of this. I'm going to end up doing this later. Okay, now we're done. And here's the phone. And it has iOS 14 obviously, but let's check out the camera. Ignore that right there. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, so now we have the 2.5 times zoom, the 1 time zoom, and the 0.5 ultra wide. We got the portrait, we got all the normal stuff here. Kind of just how it's supposed to be. And here is the camera on the back, which this little camera area looks huge. Like it dramatically stands up outside of the phone. Like here's the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and that even seemed like it was a big camera bump, but this one is definitely a really big camera bump. We'll see if this camera bump scratches phones like it normally does, which I'm assuming it does. But for now, we're going to put it back in the box, and I'm going to review this, and I'll let you guys know what I think. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, or message me on Twitter. Feel free to follow me on the social media listed above, subscribe to my channel so you can see more unboxing, review, and repair videos, and hit that bell button so then YouTube reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.